Good evening, everyone. It is September 10th, 2017. We're doing a quick $10 break. 2017 Leaf Best of Baseball 1-box break number 6, random teams. So this is from a fresh case. All 30 teams are in. You get some really nice hits out of here. Only one card will, actually 2 cards will come out. The Leaf card and then one buyback card, which could be a huge hits. Huge cards that could come out of here, like right down the sell sheet. So let's roll the dice. A 5 and a 2, lucky number 7, 7 times on the list of names and teams. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 the final time. After 7 times,
it's on our new website, 10bucksbreaks.com.
hold on really quick, guys. Sorry about this.
Just remember, folks, for 10bucksbreaks.com, you will probably have to, not probably, I know that you'll have to sign up for a new account, so you have to make a new login. It's pretty much technically considered a completely separate.
What the hell's going on here?
So don't be surprised if, like, break.
Alright, sorry about that. 7 times. So there you go. Jacob, last ball mojo at the top, and Martin, you're at the bottom.
Like, break credit generally, I don't think will cross over as much.
Bam.
If you try to use it.
Alright.
I'm not sure, but
7 times down the list of teams.
you can at least try.
1,
But yeah, for all
2,
and for all purposes,
3,
pretty
4, 5, 6, 7 the final time. After 7 times, we have the Houston Astros at the top and Detroit Tigers at the bottom.
So I'm going to hang out here, ladies and gentlemen, until about the 45-minute mark or so, 45-minute mark.
So Jacob, last ball mojo, you have the Astros. Jeremy with the Nationals. Martin with the White Sox. Don, you have the Red Sox. TJ with the Yankees. Martin with the Mets. Jeremy with the Padres. Jason with the Dodgers. Weston with the Royals. Jason with the Indians. Nathaniel with the Cubs. Jason with the Mariners. William with the Angels. Jeremy with the Braves. TJ, you have the Pirates. William with the A's. Elijah with the Orioles. Jordan with the Rays. Martin with the Brewers. Don, you have the Reds. Jeremy with the Rockies. Don with the Phillies. Jeremy with the Cardinals. William with the D-backs. Jeremy with the Rangers. Jacob, you have the Blue Jays. James Goodman with the Twins. Tom, you have the Giants. Don with the Marlins. And Martin, you have the Detroit Tigers. So there you go, guys. Let's alphabetize this. And I'll give you guys some time if you guys would like to trade. Right there.
We have time to do that. Do it until about the 45-50-minute mark.
There you go. Jays for trade. Elijah saying we'll trade the Orioles for the Mariners. Not sure if Jason M's probably here. But usually it's kind of, there's never really trades for a break like this either because only one card's going to come out, so it's pretty crucial. I mean, somebody could really regret trading. So, give you guys another 30-40 seconds. Looking for the Dodgers. Jason M also has the Dodgers. Also, there's going to be 5 total boxes available, so we'll generate a box as well. All right, TWC. All right, so like I said, this is a fresh case. So there'll be 5 boxes available. We'll generate one of the boxes, as you can see right here. Fresh sealed case. Here's the list. Good luck to everybody. Jacob with the Astros. Last Spot Mojo. Alright, well, let's open up this case. All right, there are the 5 cases, or 5 boxes, sorry. Now let's mark these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's generate one. 5. Box on the bottom. All right, so there you go. Box 5 is generated. Good luck. It's funny, all the Leaf products have the same exact box. Literally.
Yeah, whoever their box supplier is.
They're so happy.
Yeah, raking. Just raking in the profits. Yep, just sold another 50,000 boxes to Leaf this year.
All right, guys. Well, good luck.
What do we got?
So we got Nolan Ryan,
Ooh.
26 of 35. So they put a little Leaf card in here. Looks like he's in his Astros uniform, so we're going to give that to the Stros. And that is Jacob, Last Spot Mojo.
Last Spot Mojo.
So there you go. Astros with that one. And inside is a graded PSA 1965 Topps, graded a 7. And it is Pete Rose.
Nice.
1965 Topps, Pete Rose for the Cincinnati Reds, who were on the trade block, actually, from DC. Tried to trade,
Couldn't trade
but
Mojo.
couldn't trade Mojo. So there you go. Cincinnati Reds with that hit. DC, you're going to come pick up nice stuff tomorrow.
That's nice.
There you go. There you go.
For a $10 spot?
Yeah.
Not too shabby at all.
There you go, guys. That was the break. That was Leaf Best of Baseball. 1 box break number 6. Random teams. Number 7 will be in the store. Fresh case, guys. Pretty sure there's going to be some other monster hits in there. $10 breaks. I'm Jason. See you guys next time.